Good morning, everybody. Well, would you believe I'm back up in the Sierra? I bet you can't believe it. This morning I'm hiking to a very beautiful lake I have never been to before. I've seen countless pictures of this lake, and the reason I'm hiking there is because lately I've been obsessed with fishing. Got my fishing pole, and this lake is supposed to have nothing but golden trout. So I don't think I've ever caught a golden trout. So hiking up to the lake, take in the views, get in a good hike, and see if I can catch a golden trout. They've got some nice little cabins you can rent out right here at the lake. I did this hike last year. I did the, which one was that? That was the Deer Lakes Loop up over Mammoth Pass, kind of along the crest up there. And the views of the lake here are stunning. I can't wait to see them again. Early summer, so beautiful. How good is this hike? Wow. This is by far one of the best hikes I've been on in a long time. Look at this view. Pretty hard to beat. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there are a ton of trout right here. I think fishing might be pretty easy. All right, I just made it to this absolutely gorgeous lake. Now I need to find a spot that is away from people so that I can fish in peace and hopefully catch some fish. This looks like a pretty good spot. Wow. Not only is hiking and fishing fun, but it's also gorgeous. Wow. Oh man. Woo. All right, I'm trying to find a really stealthy fishing spot. This one looks pretty good, although my access is kind of limited. Yeah. Let me keep looking, keep looking. I think I found my spot right here next to this creek that's draining into the lake, and there's no one here. Nobody over here. So time to get my stuff set up. Got my pole I need to assemble. Need to fix my line. It's kind of messed up. And then in here, I've got, I hope I brought it. Yes. My little portable tackle box inside of a 1 gallon baggie. Does the trick. Back out here with a split shot, just one. And my trusty Panther Martin. Nice red and gold. Fish loved it last time I used it. So, let's see if I can repeat my success. I can really see it. Might not be any fish over here. They could all be at that other end I was just at. Yeah, I don't see any fish following this in. I'll give it a few more tries over here. Yeah, nothing following it. I might move back to the creek that I came in on. All right, guys, packing up, moving to the next spot. This spot was not good at all. No fish here, so pack up and I'm gonna hike back to the inlet, or sorry, the outlet. This is more of the inlet here, and see if I can catch any of those guys in the stream. What I did is I took off my split shot, so all I have is my Panther Martin on here, and I think I'll be pretty successful because this thing's pretty shiny. All right, guys, I'm back at the outlet crossing. I think I'm gonna give this a try. I think this will be a good spot here. Go back over. Yeah, they got some big ones in here. Really big. Got this nice glassy open spot, and they're kind of all in that area there. Oh my God, look at all of them. So I'm gonna cast out in there. I'm gonna try this area first. Just curious to see what they think of this. Oh, here comes one. Oh, went right past them. They might not be interested. They might not be interested in this. Oh, here we go, here we go. Got some big boys right here. I love it. Try this spot a couple more times. Yeah, they start to chase it, but then they stop. I don't know if they see me or what it could be. Yeah, they're interested. A little leery. I don't know if you guys can see all those golden trout right there, but I'm gonna try and get one from here. Oh, right over him. Right over him. Sorry for all the wind noise too. My camera fell in the water, so my muff's wet. Okay, I got some red power bait on this. Let's see if they care for any power bait. Oh, it's a good spot. Good spot. Oh, I think I got one. Oh, almost had one. Almost had one. I saw him take a bite. Huh. Comes another one. He's looking at it. He was looking at it. All right, let's see if they get this. There's some big boys, right? Ooh, there's some big guns right here. Look at that. Big guns. They don't seem too interested. Okay, last attempts here. It's a pretty good spot. These Goldens are smart. They're very leery. Gosh, but they're all right here. There's a couple over there. Yeah, they're very careful with what they go after. Yeah, they're scared. They're scared of it. I don't know what to think of it. Well, I struck out fishing, but it's always a good day to be in the mountains, to be hiking. So all in all, I call it a win. Saw some beautiful fish as well. Coming back into the area that has the cabins right along the lake. This is where I parked. Pretty short hike overall. I'd say overall it's probably a 3-mile hike, if that. Only took me 45 minutes to hike into the lake, and not too much elevation gain. But as far as scenery wise, this is about a 8 or 9 out of 10. It's beautiful. Appreciate you guys watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate everyone who has subscribed and who likes the videos as well. So thank you so much. And until next time, happy hiking.